Scrap Hounds, it's that awesome day of the week again. Get to go to the dump, drop my week's worth of garbage off, see what kind of treasures we can find. Hey Scrap Hounds, how's it going today? He's back at it. A little bit of a break. We're at the dump. There's been some of the grain barrel. It'd be good to fill with copper, except for it's got the full top lid on it. Ooh, shop vac. You know, I actually need a new shop vac. That would be sweet if that works. And we got here some kind of appliance. NASA radio. Good stuff. Some hangers, baseball. That's cool. Nice little score. They got, oh, another set of golf clubs. Good stuff, good stuff. Couple tires. Anybody need egg crates? I know where you can get egg crates. Dunloppers. Man, I wonder what size those are. Size 8. Yeah, a little big on me. Might be worth it. Oh, that's cool. Fireplace. Nice. What do we got here? Ooh, more internet boxes. This thing's really piled up. Look at the stuff that's been thrown in here. Holy cow. Don't come for a few days and people fill her up. This one's for all my TV lovers. Sanyo. Look at that. Even a 4th grade alumni for me. Some scrap metals. Oof, we're getting that sewage lagoon stink. How's it going today?
You got yourself?
Oh, not too bad. Beautiful out. We'll be testing this out. I need this back. More goodies, maybe for some gold. I had to grab the golf clubs. You know me. There's some funky DC shoes. They'll look good scrapping. Some new scrap treads. Alrighty. I ain't pulling a bunch. Oh, I do want that old radio. Good parts in these old radios. I do try to fix some of them up. For the people that always see me scrapping, I do like to repair old radios. But yeah, I think we got a bit of a load for some stuff to tear down. Some goodies. I'm hoping that vacuum works. I need a new shop vac. Alrighty, scrap out. What do my eyes see here? Oh, just vinyl. Holy cow. Coffee maker. That's something actually I was looking for. It was a coffee maker with a, ew, there's a nasty old litter box. Sorry guys, my mouth's dry. Reusable coffee filter. But I don't think I want to really be digging through this too much. Just like I say, that's a litter box. But we'll take this coffee maker. It's still got its port on. Yeah, otherwise, I mean, I could pull stuff out of here, but it's hot. I'm tired. And like I say, I had a coffee maker in mind for the reusable filters. Oh, look at all this stuff, eh? Yeah, oh, there's some of my scrap boards I've thrown back in here. What do we got under my foot? Oh, another Wi-Fi box. Another Wi-Fi box. Oh, I'm kind of glad. I like the Wi-Fi boxes. Let's be loud. And so this, because I want this CRT. It looks like a computer monitor. See if we can get you guys situated here where maybe you can watch me dig it out. Hopefully the phone doesn't fall. Whoops. Maybe I can get it up and out of here now. Oh yeah. Joint. Yeah, no coffee filters. Whew, it's a hot one. Oh, look, some aluminum scrap. Alright, well, whoa. Try not to injure myself here. Them walk-ons through. Well, scrap hounds, I think that's a wrap now. I need a drink. Otherwise I could spend all day in here. I know I'll hear it. Ah, you get all this and that, but you know, it only takes so much. I still got lots of stuff at home. This is just adding to the supply. Kind of like a scrap stacker. Some guys stack coins. I stack scrap. Stack the copper. Sorry if it's bouncing. I just wanted to come down here and see what the heck this is. Oh wow. Absolutely worth the walk. Check that out. Cool. Nice find. I think it still had the core thing on it. Well, I'm gonna drag that up there and hope that I can get that in the truck. So we'll see you back at the truck. Yeah, nice alternator. Perfect. Love it. These pounds. We got her hauled up to the truck. There's that alternator. Gonna keep it in the box for now. Move this little radio over. And see if I can get this Pepsi barrel up in here. There you go. We'll catch you back at the junkyard. Cheers. I picked up a can back there. I was filming it, but then I realized that I had the radio on. Oops. Anyhow, heading back home. Pull this stuff out of the truck. A little bit of good scrap. Scrap hounds. It's another day. I had some things to do after running to the dump. As you can see, I got some treasures in the truck here. Looks like rain. That's a heavy one. Well, maybe we'll put that in something different. Over there. Scrapping back. Yeah, somebody was nice, kind enough to remove that wrapping on this microwave, so it was pretty nice. Saves me a bit of time. And take money back in the pocket. Yeah, and put the shop back over in the garage here. So then it can be plugged in and test and see if it works. It's a nice one. What was that? 10 gallon, I think. Yeah, 10 gallon. Sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna run this stuff back to the shed, come back for the microwave and that TV. I'm really hoping that that Pepsi barrel works. It'd be sweet for a rain barrel under the eaves trough at that end of the house. Might get some rain. Really hope we do. Forest fires have been rampant across Alberta lately, so pray for rain, everyone. Oh, some birds. I don't know if you guys can see them. Zoom. got the bag. It does kind of look like rain. I have to get this stuff moved in. Let's go for the last load. Mr. Microwave, get in my cart. Oh yeah. Let's hope for a copper transformer. I look right now, but I'd probably get my hopes up. Guaranteed that's aluminum. But the bottom one should definitely be copper. Yeah, nice copper donut up in there. And then another fan here. Those ones are really finicky. What's the word I was looking for? Drop it in the comments. 9 out of 10 times, those ones on me have wound up being aluminum. Bzzz. Well, I might just take it that way, come back for the TV. What do you say? It's probably not going to fit on there. Catch the bag. Oh. Love this cart. It's getting a little broken on the front, but it's still really handy. Another find from the dump. There, get that TV in. Money bells, money bells. And we'll just throw these in there. Let's mount the truck. Close enough. Handy little trailer. Oh, and I scored this. Maybe off like a cat or something. A little gouger blade. I'm not really too sure, but good to have. Put that boot in there. Yes. So check this out. The scrap shed's definitely looking cleaner. A little bit of area there now that I can bring all this stuff in here, pile it back up. You know, like before, that cart actually was pretty much right there. That table was up in here, but and I'm thinking you guys would remember, right? I had a little path right here. Hello, Sawzall. You know, and I was working at that little bench. So much better. I've been busy the last couple days in here. You know, a little bright on that part there, but yeah, there's those servers and this cool color monitor. I don't know, she's old, like from the 70s or something. And Zenith. I've had this for a while. Zenith, the old record player. It's pretty busted up, but definitely pretty cool. It's always neat to see the old stuff. That Telefunken stereo. It's pretty light. Figured it would have had a nice transformer in it, but Big Red, I haven't forgot about you, but your package had fallen down on me, and actually I just come across it here yesterday. moved a few things, and I was like, oh, snap. So that'll be coming. Excited to see what's in that. But yeah, we'll get that cleaned up, hauled up into here, and I'll have another disaster to work with. But the day ain't over yet. I got to bring the bike over here as well with those golf clubs and whatnot, right? And figure out, well, stack of golf clubs goes there, and whatever else is in there. Probably got a nice close up of my nose there, maybe. But yeah, get the stuff in here. Anyway, my mind's going 1,000 miles an hour. I'll get back to it. Come on. Get this TV torn apart here pronto. Get the money bell up out of it. I'm gonna take the card away. Over here, get the space. This microwave is just gonna stay outside. It's doesn't need to be inside. I mean, all it could really stay outside. But what fun is it? Oop, banging the camera. What fun is it if you don't have a mess in your work area? You know, I need more hazards in my life. You know. Yeah. Take that cart out of the way here. Oh, definitely getting some gray skies. Yes. Oh, a can. 10 cents. All right. Let's go for a bike ride. Perfect. It unhooked the trailer pretty much where I wanted it to. Maybe I didn't have my hitch tight enough. Strap broke. Junk problems. Good stuff. If you guys like this one, maybe a little different, trying to come up with more creative ideas, smash that like button, drop a comment down below. If you guys aren't subscribed already, I'd really love it. I won't stop spinning until you subscribe. Are you subscribed yet? If you are, don't forget to jingle that bell for more videos. We'll catch you in the next one, Scrap Hounds. Cheers.